Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of discreet surveillance with the 64G hidden camera pen, a sleek and inconspicuous device that combines functionality with portability. Shaped like a regular pen, this mini camera is perfect for capturing high-definition 1080p FHD videos without drawing attention, thanks to its stealthy design that keeps lights off during filming. With a generous 64 gigabytes of built-in memory, you can store essential footage effortlessly, and its intuitive one-button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. The standout feature of this camera pen is its impressive 300-minute battery life, powered by dual lithium-ion batteries, allowing for extended recording sessions far beyond typical pen cameras. Enjoy seamless loop recording without the need for Wi-Fi, and easily access your videos by connecting the camera to your PC via the included USB-C cable. This innovative design not only ensures crystal-clear video capture but also prevents SD card wear and tear, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Plus, with a lifetime warranty and dedicated customer support, you can invest in this camera pen with complete confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.